Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shraddha. Today I will talk about different type of alerts. So I will show you how many types of alerts we can handle in this series. So let's get started. This is the website. Let me copy, Control C, and just 1 second. Yes, here I'm gonna paste it. So you can see here different type of alert we are able to see in this application, like click for JS alert. So as soon as click on the JS alert, it will open one dialog box, and here we can see I'm just alert, and there is one OK button. So once we will click on this OK button, you can see here the result. It's showing nothing. As soon as we will click on the OK, it will show here some message. You successfully clicked an alert. So this is a simple alert. So, and this is a confirmation alert or dialog box open. So here you can see I am JS confirm, and if we will click on OK, here you can see result, you clicked OK, and if we will select the cancel, it will show the you clicked cancel message. So this is a different type of dialog box. Here you can see if we want to confirm that this is so. If we want to confirm, we will click OK. If we want to cancel, we will click the cancel button. So, and after that, this is the third one. You can see click for JS prompt. We will click here, and you can see this dialog box is open, and here we can provide the some data or text, and you can see here the result, you clicked cancel, which is when we clicked on this dialog click for JS confirm alert, and this is the prompt alert or dialog box appear, and we can see here there is some text option. So I'm providing my name, and as soon as I click on the OK, it will show you enter Shraddha. So here we will validate all the alert box and find the locator and see the message. Like here, whatever the message is showing, that message we will validate. So let's get started. I have already written some code. Let me show you. So I have already written the code here. This is the simple alert, and this is the confirm alert, and this is the prompt alert box. So everything I have written, I'm going to explain you one by one. So first, here I'm just writing the required method, and provide the this package Playwright test. So in this package we are able to see all the modules and JSON and some function under this Playwright test. So here I'm providing it in required method, and inside this required method we are importing the Playwright test, and this curly bracket I have already written the test and expect. This test function and expect. So you can see here line number 4, we have already written the test. So test is used for test the test, and expect is used for the validation this or verification of the test. Inc is always const. And line number 4 will write the test block. So in this test block, this round bracket or parenthesis inside, we have already provided the alert underscore OK. This is a module name. You can provide any module name, and this is the keyword async and page fixture. And after that, here is an anonymous function. And line number 5, you can see page.goto. So which website or which URL you want to provide here, so you have to just mention inside this round bracket. So I want to navigate on this site. So, and after that, line number 7, you can see I'm enabled the alert dialog. So first, before finding the locator of this element or this alert, we need to enable this alert. So what we need to do here I have written the page dot once function. You can see as soon as I just provide the dot, it will start to showing the all the methods function. So I have selected this once, and this is the variable. You can give any variable or inside this double colon, and this is the keyword, and this is the another variable. And now here I'm providing the Control C, delete, and now I'm providing here Control V. So anonymous function and this curly braces we are providing here, and inside this bracket here we are writing the expect method. So why we are using here expect method? To validate this alert, to validate this dialog box. That's why we have already provided the expect method. So basically this is a dialog box. So I'm giving here name dialog dot and type method dot to be alert. So which type of this alert? Which type of this dialog box? It's a alert. So here I'm providing the alert. So basically I'm just writing the expect method, and inside this expect method I'm writing the dialog dot type which type of this alert. So it's a alert, simple alert, where we will click and we are able to see this dialog box and just click on OK, and I'm able to see the message here. This is simple alert box. And after that I want to validate the message. Which message? This message. I am just alert. So is this I'm validating here expect method or function I'm using dialog dot message and to contain which message it's containing. This is the contain method. I'm using a contain method and I am just alert. And after that, once I'm giving this message, validate this message, and after that click on OK. So here dialog.accept method we are writing here. I have already written, and use the await keyword. So this is the enable the alert dialog. So after that, we are actually here. I'm just once I will click here and right click and find the locator. So actually, what is the locator of this alert? So here we can see click for JS alert. This is a partial text, and we are going for the here ID this, class this. So I have already written this. So this is the page.click and page.click method I'm using. So this is the click for JS alert. So here I'm using the page.click and providing the text. So you can see text. This is the text. This is the text. So I'm providing here the text. Click for JS, and after that finding the locator. So page.locator, and this is the one line where I am doing validation and provide the locator. What is the locator of this? So let me open it. Right click and here. So locator, actually I have just so what I did, just put it here. Actually so after that I'm going on once I will click this OK button, and it will show the message. So I want to find the locator of this message. So you can see here ID result, and this is the message. So everything I have put it in one line. You can write on the separate, but I have already written in the one line. Expect method and page.locator. Locator is this, and to have text, you successfully clicked an alert. You can see here you successfully clicked an alert. So ID is result and text is this. So everything I have written in the same line, and after that write here the page dot wait for timeout. So let me execute and see the output. First we need to comment this line, and yeah, and let me just 1 second. Okay, let me npx providing the command playwright IGST write npx playwright test folder and npx Playwright tests alert one dot spec.js and hyphen project is equal to chromium and hyphen headed mode. So enter. I'm just opening in one browser and you can see it's passed. It's executed very fast. Let me show you again, and then it's closed. Running, you can see, and I need to give some weight, like 2000 millisecond, and save it. Let me give again the open the new terminal. Sometime it's provide the command and it's running, and it's already passed. And if we want to see the report, we need to provide Control-C, the same command in the terminal, Control-V, and enter. Sometimes it's give the error, port error. So space hyphen port, change the port number here. I'm just changing 3000 and enter, and you can see here it's passed in Chromium because, and you can see here all the test steps. So it's already passed. Okay, let me just delete all this. Okay, only one, we need to keep it, or change the terminal. Okay, so we have already seen that how to handle the alert, simple alert, and now I'm going to open the or uncomment this confirm alert, and let me comment this one prompt. Okay, so let me comment this prompt one, just not this here, we need to comment here to here. So shift alt and A. Now everything is commented, and I want to comment here to here. So the same process we need to do. Control shift alt and A. Now okay, so here, okay, so the second confirm, this was the first. I have already showed you how to handle the simple alert, and now it's a confirm dialog alert, which is okay, this is the confirm alert. So this dialog here, we need to see the two options. Okay, if we want to select the OK, it will show the message here, and if we want to cancel, it will show the message here like you clicked OK. If I'll click on cancel, it will show the cancel. So I have already written the code here. So here I have already explained, this is the Playwright test imported here in the required function, and test and expect keyword is here, and after that it should be const. This line number 1 should always be like this, and here the test folder we need to write the same process, like whatever we have written here, the same we need to write here, like test, and this is the module name, confirm underscore OK, async keyword, and page fixture in the we have already written in this curly bracket, and this is the anonymous function. After that I want to navigate on this website, so page.goto, and now I'm enabled here before finding any locator of that element. Enable the confirm alert. So the same process we need to write here, page dot once function, and here I'm providing the variable async keyword and provide the another variable, and this is the anonymous function, and this is the curly bracket. Inside this curly bracket, here I am just validating. So what I'm validating here, so here expect method and dialog dot type, what type of is this? It's a confirm. So dot to be method, and it's a confirm alert. It's a confirm alert. So I'm just giving here confirm name, and after that expect method dialog dot message. Which message is containing? It's contain I'm just a JS confirm. So the same message I have already provided here inside this parenthesis, and because I'm going to after that I'm going to click on OK. That means it's accept the dialog box. I'm not going to cancel the dialog box, I'm going to click on the OK. So dialog dot accept, and here I'm providing the await keyword. This is the first we are enable the confirm dialog box, and after that finding the locator. So page dot clicked, so page dot clicked. Now I'm just going to here page dot click for the JS confirm, and this is the here click for the JS. So text, what is the text here? Click for the JS confirm. This is the text, this is a partial text. So here I'm providing the, I'm just validating here, here I'm providing the text, and after that writing the page locator and expect method in one line. So expect page dot locator, and locator is here ID result, and this is the message we are, basically this message we are validating. So to have text you clicked OK, and after that providing the wait, page dot wait for timeout. So I'm providing here the how many second it will stay and timeout. So let me give here 2000 millisecond. And now Control S. If you are doing any changes in your code, you need to always save your code. And after that, I'm just going to provide the, okay, this is not the correct one. Control C, npx playwright test, and write the file name alert1.spec.js and project is equal to, I want to open in the Chromium, and if you want to open in a Firefox or WebKit, go ahead and do it. I'm just writing here the Chromium browser and hyphen, and I want to open the headed mode. Enter. You can see it's open and closed because it was very fast. So just change here 1, Control S, and now, okay, I'm just going and change the and provide again all the command and write it. It was open and closed. And if you want to see the report, Control C and paste it here. Provide the different port number because sometimes getting the error related to the port. So I have already given the different port number, so it will be easy to open the result, and you can see the test or run test steps, all tests are passed and it's working fine. So this way we can handle the confirm alert or dialog box. So now I'm going to comment these line of code, and after that uncomment these line of codes, and right now, yeah. So the next one is a prompt. So what is a prompt? Here you can see, click for JS prompt. Once we will click here, it will show the one input box, and if you provide the name, I'm just providing my name, and click on OK, I can see the text you entered Shraddha. So this text I'm able to see here. So I have already written the code here. First we need to enable the alert box, prompt alert, which is basically provide the or ask the from the user some input. So I have already written my name, and it will show in the message. So whatever the the data or the input you will provide as a user, it will show in the message. So that we need to validate that the message is correct or not, and also we need to validate that what exactly dialog box contain the message, and whatever the data or whatever the input as a user if we are providing, that is accepting or not. So that we need to validate. Here you can see test, and this is the module name, prompt underscore OK. You can provide any module name. I'm just providing because it will be easy for me to understand, or it's easy for everyone to understand that this is a prompt alert box. So always give the meaningful name, because if you provide the meaning, so always provide the meaningful name because it's easy for understand. So now here I'm providing the module name, and this is the keyword. This is the page fixture. Page fixture, with the help of page fixture we are able to access the method and function. And this is the anonymous function, and this, after this we provide the curly bracket. And here I want to navigate on this website, and here I'm enable the dialog log. Okay, here enable the prompt dialog box. Okay, so line number 39, page.once method, and here I'm providing the dialog variable, and this is a keyword. This is an asynchronous keyword, and then this is the dialog variable again, and this one is an anonymous function I'm providing. And here line number 40, I'm validating here expect keyword, method through we can validate. So here I'm just validating the prompt. Is this prompt or confirm or alert dialog box? So here I'm just validating that this is a dialog.type method.to-be method prompt. And here I'm validating the message, that which message. Once we will click on not this one, cancel. Once I will click on this, click for JS prompt, it will show this input box. This is the dialog box, and inside here as a user I can provide some data. So this message I want to validate, that I am a just prompt. So here I'm just validating with the help of expect method through. And after that I have already provided my name. If I'm providing here my name and click on OK, this message will appear. So here, because I'm I'm just clicking on the OK option, so, and providing some data there. So here line number 42, the same thing I have written here, dialog.accept, and here I'm providing some data which is my name and await keyword. And after that, this is the here line number 39 to 42. I'm enabled before doing some actual finding the locator. So before that, whatever the event we are doing, just whatever the validation we need to do, I'm writing here all the steps. And after that, these all the scripts you can see. First we have to type, and to be method I have written, and then after that message, validate the message, and once we provide inside in the input box some data here, this data, my name, which is Shraddha, so that data we need to provide. And here I'm validating again, like page.click type, what is a text. Let me, here the text is click for JS prompt. So here text is equal to click for JS prompt, and now I'm validating that whatever the data as a user I have provided, and click on OK. That shows in the message. You enter Shraddha. So here you can see ID is equal to result, and this is the text. You enter Shraddha. So you can write in the different line or same line. I have already written in the same line. So expect method, page.locator, and ID. ID is this. And after that, to have text, which is you enter Shraddha. So this is the text, to have text, and here I'm giving the wait method to wait for this once I will provide. So let me open the new terminal and okay, not this one, and this Playwright test this is a test folder, and inside this test folder this is the file name. So alert1.spec.js, and provide the space headed mode, and I want to provide the browser, which browser I want to open my application. So project is equal to Chromium, and enter. And you can see it was opened and closed. If you want to see again, and this one, I'm just going to change the wait time and save, enter. Oh, that is not the correct. Control Z and Control S. Now enter. Oh, Control Z. Okay, and enter. Now I don't know why it's not working. Let's change the terminal and provide the command in the terminal, and okay, it's appeared and it's closed. So now one test passed. If you want to see the result or report, Control C, it will, Control V, and I'm just providing here the port number because sometimes it's give the error, so for safe side I'm giving here. Now it's open and you can see the prompt. All the tests are passed. Here you can see passed one because I have opened in the Chromium, and if you want to see the steps you can expand this arrow or click on and you are able to see that. So in this way we can handle different type of alert, and first we need to enable that alert, and after that find the locator and validate the message. So in this way you can handle it and write the code or scripts and it will pass. So I hope you like my video. If you have any suggestion or queries, please write in the comment section, and please subscribe, share and like, and hit the notification bell so you will get the latest video.